Right, getting the wheel back on now. Everything greased, clean, greased, working right, smooth. And ready to put this back on the bike. Speedo cable in, all nice greased up. Got the washer in on this side. No parts missing. Jack that up a little bit so we can get it in the fender without issue. Washer, greased up. Switch right up. Alright. So I got my axle greased. Bit of a lip on the axle, so you kind of got to pick this end up and get it lined up, tap it in, take it nice and slow and you'll get it. As you can see, I'm completely by myself and still able to do it. I'm just going to set this on real quick. So we have 24 millimeter here. You got a pinch bolt here. Now it's important to know, when we go to cinch this up, you do your axle first, 60 Newton meter. And then, once this is cinched up, then you do your pinch bolt. Don't do your pinch bolt first. You mess up your alignment. And the whole idea is to cinch this leg that can get weak in the sense that it can get knocked out. But cinching this is what lines it up, and then you do the pinch bolt. Okay. I just had my 20-month-old come running in on me. Good thing he lost interest and didn't come up on me like that. So I got this on. It's not going anywhere. So now I need to get my brake back on. This is going to be 22 Newton meters. Last but certainly not least, I'll get your Speedo cable in. You know, this is kind of like a screw hash that you gotta fit this piece onto to make don't, then you have there. Now, this is a tight spot. I've got these little screwdriver things, and they're perfect for this because you got a brass screw, and it's only a plastic sleeve that screws into that hub that holds that speedo cable. So you need to snug it. And when I say snug it, I mean just that, just snug it, and it'll see. But if you put a turn on this, you will crack that plastic very, very easily. Sometimes either a real short one or a real long one. The real long one works better. So you're probably not getting this on the camera, but trust me, when you get your eyes down in on this, you're going to see it, and it's literally screwing into a thin piece of plastic. So first time doing it, tighten it with index finger and thumb, and just go that tight. If you can't get any tighter, you're good. Because if not, you're gonna crack that plastic. Okay. So now I'm gonna let the lift down and get it just back on the center stand. Because before I'm gonna tighten everything back up, I'm gonna actually loosen these bolts here, and there'll be a next one called the alignment video to align this, make sure everything's correctly aligned. So when I come back, I'm gonna button this up, and we're gonna have 60 newton meters, 27 newton meters, and 22 newton meters, and then we will be good. Alright, I'm back from the wheel alignment. Now I'm going to start torquing things down. So, starting off, I loosen these up here, and they're set at 27 newton meters. Start with that, and I'll work my way down. Okay, next one I'm going to do my brakes, which are 22 millimeters. Alright, that's done. Now, I'm going to do my axle. My pinch bolt is last. Axle, then pinch bolt. I always hear a lot of people getting that mixed up. It does no good to do this pinch bolt right now. And this, for the front, is 60. I get kind of worked out on that feel. Be surprised what that extra distance in the handle makes when it comes to the amount of torque you're putting on. So we're going to go to 60. Step up. Okay. 19 millimeter on the other side of this. 24 millimeter. Going to 60. There we go. There's 60. Got back to 27 pinch bolt. Pinch bolt is 6 millimeter. 6 millimeter, 27 newton meters. Yeah, that's it. New tire, everything cleaned up, re-greased, checked. New brake pads and new fluid. Alignment done. I got brand new rubber. I'm ready to go.